Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create this cute spring floral design. I'm going to do a coat of Whirly and Cure, followed by a coat of Layer It and Cure in the lamp again. Then taking Butterfly Wings Aurora Chrome, add a generous layer, allow it to dry and buff in with your gloved finger. And then going to matte top coat the whole design and cure it. Then using our primary paints, I'm just going to add a dot of each colour onto my palette, and using my T1 tool I'm going to mix some custom colours. These blend really easily. Then using a dotting tool I'm just going to map out some flowers in different colours around the edges. Then with my D2 I'm just going to pull in those petals to create the flowers. I'm either going to pull them in or outwards or both, depending on how I feel. Once you're happy, you can cure that in the lamp. Then going to create some leaves just to add to the design, and then using a dotting tool add some yellow centres to the flowers and cure. I'm going to finish off with original top coat, cure in the lamp, and here's your final look. Hope you like it.